Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I will show you how you can create 3D models and later even full worlds in Unreal Engine with just a few mouse clicks. Today we are talking about Atlas, a revolutionary AI tool for 3D artists and game developers. Atlas generates high detail and diverse 3D models from reference images and text. This tool simplifies and accelerates the creation of 3D assets and virtual worlds, so it's ideal for games, films or any other 3D projects. One of the main features or advantages you have with this tool is the speed. Atlas generates assets in seconds once the AI got trained. This training process of course will take some time, but it's like a one-time thing, and after that you can generate infinite amount of new 3D models in a few seconds. And once done, it will allow you to focus more on the creativity and other more important tasks. Past projects which use this tool have seen a 200x efficiency boost. This shows me again how important it is to select the right tools and tech stack before you start working on your project. At the same time, there are more and more AI tools coming out also in the game development space, so it's hard to keep track about all the developments. And if you're currently also working on an Unreal Engine project and want some free feedback if the tools you're using are the best for the job, or if there's anything else or AI tools which can speed up your processes, let me know it and we can also support there. Another cool thing is that Atlas consists of a suite of diverse AI tools, enables an end-to-end workflow from 3D conceptualization to runtime generation, so you can quickly get your models in the game and also cycle through different variations until a result matches your expectations. Atlas also generates geometric models including semantic, segmentation and UV mappings, and like these outputs are visually appealing and are well structured with all the required PBR material maps, so every generated 3D model will look great. And all this works no matter if you want to make a sci-fi mega city or a medieval town. Atlas creates the 3D model specific to your style references like mood boards and all that stuff. This allows you to generate a catalog of unique game-ready assets in every style needed. The best thing here is that Atlas integrates with all major game engines such as Unreal and Unity, and this makes it easy to bring your creations into your projects regardless of the platform you are using. Unfortunately, Atlas is not publicly available yet where I'm recording this video, but it will be released soon and you can already subscribe on their website. Of course, I will also keep you updated here on my channel about the latest AI tools for game developers, so feel free to subscribe to our channel as well here for the latest updates in AI and game development. I often also get asked if those AI tools will replace us, and I usually also reply there that I'm quite sure that they will not replace us, but developers and artists need to adopt to those tools and need to add them in their workflows to outperform their competitors. Otherwise, other artists will do that. Also, you still need artists and people who put the models together. Of course, you also should have specialized people in your team who know exactly which tools are on the market and which features of those tools you can use to boost your processes. And this is actually not so easy because the market is already flooded with good image generators. And I guess for 3D models and levels, this will soon get very similar. So it's hard to follow up the development process of each of those tools to see which features are good there to use for your projects. Also, every tool have pros and cons and special features which are good for different use cases. So if you need someone who is experienced and stay up to date on the quick AI development of those tools and who also can assist you later to pick the right tools for your project, then I'm looking forward to assist you and hearing from you. Because if you're looking for assistance in this area or level design and development in general, then I would be very happy to learn more about your project, and you can easily find both our portfolio and my mail in the description, so feel free to write me so we can together see how and if we can help you to assist with your projects. But that's it for this video. I hope you have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.